Hi there guys, welcome to Dino's Vault. This is a very special video. Why? Because this is an ode to motorcycling. This is a tribute to motorcycling spirit. This is a tribute to custom motorcycling because first time Royal Enfield have gone ahead and launched factory custom, which means you can get your custom theme on your favorite Royal Enfield. Not to the extreme that you can if you would build a custom motorcycle by yourself, but the initiative itself talks a lot about the true soul of motorcycling that Royal Enfield have always celebrated. And here I have a few examples as to what comes out of the factory custom theme if you can attach your persona to your motorcycle. Your motorcycle has always been an extended part of your personality. That's how I look at my motorcycle, and I'm sure everyone who celebrates motorcycles, everyone who understands the true motorcycling spirit, everyone who celebrates motorcycling brotherhood, agrees to it. And Keanu Reeves put that the best way possible. When he doesn't ride or cannot ride, he experiences withdrawal. Might not be that extreme, but riding helps you become a better person. So when you look at these kind of motorcycles and this kind of initiative, it's called factory custom, and you can see the way they've played around with color. This looks so vibrant. You have so many colors to choose from, and and the custom theme then can be added with your personal imagination. So this is the new classic 350 LED headlamp. The powertrain remains more or less the same, 20 PS, 27 Newton meters, 350cc single fuel injected bike, spoke wheels or alloy wheels, that's your call, and blacked out engine. Again, you have a dual tone paint scheme, beautifully done. I mean, the quality of paint just keeps getting better and better at Royal Enfield. Here is the factory custom, proudly imbibed on the license plate, and this is yet another custom job. And look at this one. This looks like a proper custom bobber. I mean, the seat says it all, and the kind of graffiti theme on the fuel tank, and the colored frame stands out. It's all unique, it's all different, it's all going to be signature, your particularly custom theme attached to your motorcycle. And what better way to celebrate that than getting it right from the factory itself. And here you can see the console has the same digital analog layout. You also get a tripper navigation, and the switches and all remain more or less the same, but it's the paint scheme that makes a lot of difference. And the headlamp housing all blacked out, and you can see the Royal Enfield branding right over here, the ribbed pattern seat, and just the touch of orange or red to the frame has completely transformed the visual appeal of this motorcycle. And that's what factory custom theme is all about. You can see rim stripes with Royal Enfield branding right over here, spoke wheels, black rims, blacked out rims, and this is what makes things special. Here is Adil sir on a befitting proper classic theme motorcycle. I mean, it looks divine, and the right kind of person being captured on the right kind of machine. And then of course this is kind of a matte finish, kind of a matte red, or you can say a little bit of orange tinge to it. But look at the way it looks, so different, so premium, so custom, so unique. So everything, what all you can change, I think has been updated in their website. So factory custom screams or takes the custom motorcycling silhouette one step further, pushes the envelope as to what defines motorcycling at its outset. And what do you guys think? Again, alloy wheels, tubeless tires. This is one variant. Spoke wheels with tube tires, that's another variant. That's the proper classic. And what kind of custom theme would you like to go with? Color combination, a Ghost Rider theme, or a Captain America theme, or a Desi theme, or something really stand out, graffiti theme. I saw one Royal Enfield that had all the best quotes completely written all over it. And I saw one Royal Enfield with all the stickers from where he had visited. So every Royal Enfield carries a lot of memories, lot of emotions for everyone, and that's why it's kept as such for generations to come. I mean, the father uses it, keeps it alive for the son to use it. The son dusts it, opens the cover, adds his personal theme, and uses it and saves it for the next generation. And that's what makes Royal Enfield immortal. A century-old brand, more than 100 years of legacy, and the Classic 350 is here to actually define their legacy, because this is what actually changed the game and made them a force to reckon with here in the Indian market. And they ran a monopoly for nearly a decade or more than that, until brands woke up to the retro vintage roadster segment, and now we have more competition, but still this remains the icon that everyone tries to match, and a timeless beauty, an immortal vehicle that will always go in the memory lane, or the as one of the greatest. I think this is my friend doing his walk around, so let's not disturb him. We'll go around him and end this with this beautiful custom theme, dual tone theme, with which we started. So if you like this factory custom theme, give it a thumbs up. And what would the custom element or custom paint theme that you would like to add in your factory custom motorcycle of choice? Feel free to comment below, let me know. I'll catch you guys with more pure automobile content coming your way. Until next time, this is Dino saying ciao from the 350cc launch event that has been a perfect tribute to the legendary Classic 350 that refuses to age despite time moving on. This is something that ages like a fine wine. So thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Until then, take care, God bless, and ride safe.